Number 6, again, we have decimal numbers here. So I would recommend multiplying by powers of 10 to get rid of those. So we have negative 0.4 times x minus 14 equals negative 0.7, and then we have the quantity x minus 0.5. Okay, so I would multiply by 10 on the outside, okay, both sides. And then equals, I'm going to multiply by 10 over here as well. Okay, so again, since this is being multiplied, the distributive property, when you multiply this times 10, it's going to affect both terms. Same thing over here. So multiply by 10, we get negative 4 times x minus 14 equals negative 7 times x minus 0.5, 0.5. Okay, now we're going to distribute negative 4 throughout parentheses. It's going to be a positive because negative times a negative is a positive. 66 56 equals negative 7x, and then this will give us 35, 3.5. Positive 3.5. So we can multiply by another power of 10 to get rid of this, but we could leave it since it's 1. But again, if you like dealing with whole numbers, we'll multiply everything by 10. So I'm going to use sloppy notation and just say we're multiplying everything by 10. So this will be a negative 40x plus 560 minus 70x plus 35. All right, now combine like terms. We will add 70 to keep the positive. Add the 70x to both sides. This becomes 30x plus 560 equals 35. And then subtract 560. And we end up with 30x. And then we have equals a negative 525. Then divide by 30, and we get that x equals, and 30 will go into 52 one time, it's negative, and then 225 left, and 30 will go into 225 7 times, which will give us 21, 210. And we'll bring down 15, so it'll give us a 0.5. So you can reduce this by dividing both numbers by 5. And think quarters, this will give you 4 times 5 is 20, 21 over 5, over 6. So this reduces to 21 over 6, and then these can both be divided by 3. So I can divide both of these by 15 essentially, and we get 7 over 3. It's not the same at all. Divide by 3, that's 2. But that's not 17. Oh, 5 goes in here. I did 25 over here. That's why that's coming out wrong. So I divided this one by 5, and I divided this one by 25. That's why it's coming out way wrong. So each 100 is 20. So this should be 20 times 5, which is 105. So this should be 105, actually. And then if you divide both of those by 3, that will give you 2, and that will give you 35. That's better. Okay. So you can divide that with a calculator to speed it up. But 17.5 negative is what we should get.